today I'm just pretty much going to walk you through how I make my inventory. So right now I'm just pretty much rebranding and branding all my merch at this point. At first I just had like a custom store on Etsy, which was Creative Customs, came up with Blazing Beauty, which became a woman accessory store for smokers, of course. And from there, it just took off. So now what I'm doing is branding everything. My goal is to get it outsourced into some smoke shops because it is essential, right? Well, to some people, it's essential. But yeah. All right, so let's get into this video. I got my tray. It's metal. And then I have my little vinyl stickers that I'm going to put on there. And then here's my sticker for the girl part. I made a black one, but it's not ready yet. But these are some that I'm making now, like grinders in my ashtrays. Then I got my pipe, the lipstick pipe. Let me see if I can open it. Whatever. And then I have my dupe tube, the blunt splitter. So yeah, I make all of it myself, basically.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil,
My vinyl and my sticker on. Epoxy it. These are so cute.